Hello and welcome to MEERKAT's report on how to change a gear knob. As you can see, one gear knob. Alright, how do we start? Let's have a look. Well, you grab hold of the gear knob like that, grab hold of it and give it a good old yank up and it comes off. This one is a black one on the inside. They're either black or white. Some people say they're not interchangeable, but as you can see, here we have a nice black leather one. It's not bad actually, with a white insert. Now then, what you do is get that like that and go down there like that and it falls back off. Most people use either steel, quick steel, a little bit of quick steel in the back of it, or some silicone to hold it back in place. Keep an eye out for my next ones. My next video is going to be how to remove door mirrors. Thank you, bye.